Good day to you. In this video, we are going to learn how to combine English alphabets. We're going to learn how to combine their sounds and also how to form words using those sounds. In our previous video, I taught you how to combine English alphabets beginning with vowels, then followed by consonants. But in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine sounds starting with consonants and then vowels. Remember, if you must learn how to read and write English language, you must follow us on this channel by subscribing to GC Studies, sharing the videos, you must like it, and then hit the notification bell. Alright, don't forget, we have the 26 alphabets of English language. In our last video, we made examples of sounds and combination of sounds from letter A down to letter G. But today, I'm going to teach you, like I said before, how to combine sounds. Now, not starting with vowels like we did last time. Remember, last time we gave few examples like letter A and letter B. Letter A has the sound A, while letter B has the sound B. When we join these two sounds, beginning with the vowel, which is A, we're going to have this A. And then I told you that we can have another word, we can have a meaningful word by adding just 3 letters, like letter O, U, and T. Okay, and by doing this, we can have a letter like about. But today, let's start with consonants first. Now, we're going to start with the first consonant in the list. Remember, we have 21 consonants. The first consonant in the list of this English alphabet is letter B. Letter what? B. Now, letter B has the sound B. Letter B, sound B. When we add letter A, which has sound A, we're going to have a combined sound, which is ba, 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 ba. We can only add a single letter to make this a word. Yes, we can add a single letter to make it a meaningful English word, such as letter T, sound. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Letter T, sound. That will give us what? Bat. 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 Let's proceed to the second letter, and that is letter C. Letter C and letter A. These are two sounds here, okay? That is sound K and sound A. Sound K and sound what? A. When we join the two sounds together, we're going to have a sound like K, K, A, K. And then we can add it just a letter to make a meaningful English word. A letter like letter P, letter P. And what's the sound for letter P? Look at it here. The sound for letter P is what? So when we have K, A, this is what? K. K. Have you seen that? So we can combine letter sound starting from consonants, or can start from vowels. Do you understand?
Yes.
When we start from consonants, we can have ka. But when we start from vowels, we can have a word like axe. Okay, let's proceed. The next letter in the list, the next consonant in the list is consonant letter D. Consonant letter what?
D.
Which has the sound D. Which has the sound what? D. Let's write it out. When we have letter D, and then we join it with letter A. Okay? We're having two sounds here. Letter D sound D. Letter A sound A. Together, we have D. A. We have what? D. A. Join together. Da. Da. What did I say? Da. Again. Da. We can join just a letter. We can add a letter to this to have a meaningful English word. A letter, for instance, letter M. Did you see that?
Yes.
Letter M. Okay, the three sounds for these letters are D, A, M. D, A, M. Down. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Down, 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 down. Okay, let's proceed to the next consonant. Remember, like I said before, today in this video, we are looking at how to join sounds in order to form simple words, starting with vowel, starting with consonant sound. Yes, in our last video, we started with vowel sound, but in this current video, we're starting with consonant what? Sounds. Combination of sounds. I know you are enjoying these studies, but I must tell you, don't forget to subscribe to what? GC Studies. GC Studies. Yes. Share the videos. You must do what? Share the videos. And then also like it. Let's continue. The next consonant is letter F. Letter what? F. Letter F has a sound which is sound. When we write letter F and join it with sound A, we're going to have a double sound known as what? Fa. Known as what? Fa. And then we can have just a single letter. A single letter to have an English word. Let's add a letter like letter N. Letter N has the sound what? Sound what? So, A, that is what? Fan. Fan. A, fan. Okay. Let's proceed. Now we're going to take another consonant in the list. Another consonant in the list is consonant letter G. Consonant letter what? G. Yes. Consonant letter G. Letter G has the sound which is sound G. Letter G sound what? G. Letter G sound G. By the time we add the second sound, the sound of the first vowel, which is sound A, we're going to have this, which is what? Ga. Ga.
Ga.
Ga.
Ga.
Ga.
Ga.
We can also add just a letter to this to have a meaningful English word. Letter like letter P. Have you seen that?
Yes,
Letter
ma'am.
P has the sound. So let's join these three sounds together. Ga. G. A. Ga.
Ga.
G. A. That is what? Ga.
Ga.
Can someone say ga?
Ga.
Can you say ga?
Ga.
Okay, let's continue. We have the next consonant in the list, which is consonant letter what? H. Consonant letter what? H. Letter A sound A. When we combine the two sounds, we're going to have what? Ha. What did I say? Ha. Again. Ha. Again. Ha. Again. Ha. All right. Don't forget, just a letter, another consonant letter can be added to this to have a meaningful English word. A letter like letter T. Okay? Letter T has sound what? So, that is what? Hat. What did I say? Hat. Again, hat. Again, hat. Again, hat. Yes. So, we have combined the following consonants with a vowel letter A. You get it? That is what we've done today. We've been able to combine consonant letter B, consonant letter D, consonant letter C, consonant letter F, G, and H with a vowel letter A, which has sound A. Okay? This is what we call combination of two letters or two sounds. So with this, you can find reading or pronouncing of three-lettered words. Very, very what? Easy. Don't forget, whenever you are watching this video, you are expected to get your writing what? Materials, your pen, and also your book. And as we read, as we pronounce, as we write, you do the same. All right. Let's add more to what we've done so far. We're going to take the last consonant letter for today, which is consonant letter what? J. Letter J sound what? J. That is the sound for letter J. Letter J sound what? J. Now we're going to write this letter, okay, and then add it with a vowel letter A. Let's see how the sound will look like. This is letter J with letter A. Now we have two sounds. When we combine them together, we have two sounds. This is what? Ja, j, a, which is what? Ja, ja, j, a, ja. We can add just a letter, another consonant to this in order to have a meaningful English word. Remember, let's add a letter like letter M. Consonant letter M. That is it. Look at it here. Consonant letter M. Now let's combine the three sounds together. Are you ready?
Yes, ma.
Let's first of all make their single sounds and then we combine. Let's go. J.
J.
A.
A.
Again. J.
J.
A.
A.
Put it together. That one is what? Jam.
Jam.
That is what?
Jam.
Again.
Jam.
Again.
Jam.
Again.
Jam.
Good. So, this is where we're going to stop for today. Combination and production of double letter sounds beginning with consonants. Don't forget, that is what we handled for today in this video. My dear, it's a promise that within a very short time, you're going to learn how to read, how to write, and how to speak English language fluently. Okay? So if you've not been able to be reading properly, don't worry. Before long, you're going to learn how to do so. But make sure you share this video. Yes. Share these videos to as many as you can remember. Like it. Yes. Indicate your preference for this video or for this online lesson by doing what? Hitting the notification bell. Yes. Soon, we're going to be displaying our WhatsApp numbers on the screen so that you can feel free to call us or to send us text. My name is Glory Ololo. God bless you.